God!
Oh, fire! Oh, my goodness! What's the procedure? What do we do, people?
Phones are dead.
Oh, how did that happen?
It's out in the hall.
No, we don't know that. The smoke could be coming through an air duct.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody, calm down!
No, Michael, no! Touch the handle. If it's hot, there could be a fire in the hallway.
What does warm mean?
Not a viable option. What next?
Don't try.
The other door.
Oh, here's the door. Check that one out. How's the handle?
It's warm. Go to the back
Well,
door.
another option.
I forgot my purse.
Leave it, woman.
No, things can be replaced, Phyllis. People, human lives, however, can...
Man, that's hot.
This one's hot too.
Okay, we're trapped. Everyone for himself. Okay, here we go. Let's go.
Third victim. Use a rag to cover the mouth. A what? A rag. A damn rag. Let's remember the procedures. What are the options? The wrong way. We've already tried that. Exit points, people. What's next? Huh?
Stay alive. I'm getting help.
Pull me up.
You're too heavy.
I only weigh 82 pounds. Save Bandit.
How about 911? Anyone? 911.